the most important thing is finding out who the person is that you need to talk to that handles hiring the cleaning company.
Mhm.
Because 9 times out of 10, when you make a phone call to a company, you're talking to a receptionist, whoever answers the phone person, right? And then their job is to either get rid of you or send you to the person that you need to talk to, right?
Mhm.
So normally when I'll call, and personally I don't like calling, but when I'll call and they'll pick up. Hi, this is Jane. Hi, Jane. My name is Sherman. I'm wondering if you can help me real quick. I'm looking for the person that would be responsible for hiring a cleaning company for your business. Um,
Mm.
and so now they already know, okay, who is that person? Because their natural thing is either to get rid of you or to send you in the direction of the people that you want to talk to. Oh yeah, well that will be this person, right? They're not available right now. Okay, well they're not available right now. Is it possible, yeah, or can you tell me when's a good time for me to call back, to talk to them? Or they'll try to send you to their email, but you still want to know what their name is. And a lot of times when someone sends you to the email, they're not going to tell you their name. So the reason why we need that name is because now when you call back,